Not everyone can wrangle in a herd, and not all products can be counted on to clean and disinfect restroom surfaces effectively on a daily basis. Wrangler Disinfecting Bowl and Porcelain Cleaner controls disease-causing organisms to protect a cleaner and healthier facility. The broad-spectrum germ control and thickened detergent produce true one-step cleaning and disinfecting for bowls, urinals, showers, sinks, and fixtures. With 9.5% acid, you know Wrangler is strong enough to lasso in tough bowl stains. All this in a non-fuming formula with a pleasant cherry fragrance.